Did you know that faceless YouTube shorts have gained tremendous popularity, accumulating billions of views each month? These silent heroes, easily monetizable, are drawing in a diverse crowd with their unique appeal. Quite unexpected, isn't it? Now, let's delve into how we can create these successful faceless YouTube shorts using AI. Creating faceless YouTube shorts with AI is easier than you might think. Let's dive straight into it. Firstly, selecting a topic is crucial. Pick something that resonates with your interest and is trending. Remember, the goal is to make content that can be monetized, so it has to appeal to a wide audience. Next, we move to scripting. This is where you lay out your thoughts and structure your video. Write a concise, engaging script that delivers your message effectively. Now comes the fun part, utilizing AI for video creation. There are several AI-based platforms out there that can help you create dynamic, faceless videos. Simply input your script, select your preferred visuals, and let the AI do its magic. Finally, it's time to publish your video. Make sure to optimize your title, tags, and description for SEO to increase your video's visibility. And there you have it, a monetizable faceless YouTube short created with the help of AI. Let's quickly recap what we've learned today. We've discovered how simple and effective it is to create monetizable faceless YouTube shorts using artificial intelligence. This cutting-edge technology streamlines the process, making it accessible to everyone. With AI in our toolkit, the world of faceless YouTube shorts is at our fingertips. Ready to create your own?